Bonjour Kerry, j'espère que tu vas bien. Nous sommes le mardi combien? Le mardi 7 avril. Je me suis reposée à la maison. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait aujourd'hui? Je me suis reposée à la maison. That's not true. I worked. J'ai travaillé. Je suis allée au supermarché hier et c'était terrible. C'était horrible. Est-ce que l'école te manque? Oui, l'école me manque. Est-ce que l'école te manque? It's like, do you miss school? But it's like the school is missing you. That's weird, huh? But it's hard. I understand that it's a bit confusing here. So it's like we reverse the complement with the subject. I, me, miss school. I miss school. Okay. Euh, est-ce que l'école te manque ou tes amis? Les deux, both. Comment tu te sens? Sortir is to get out, go out, exit. So, comment tu te sens? How do you feel? Je m'ennuie. I'm bored. Est-ce que tu lis beaucoup? Do you read a lot? Oui, je lis beaucoup. Qu'est-ce que tu lis? Okay. Je lis des livres de fiction. Est-ce que tu regardes des vidéos ou des films? Je regarde des vidéos, un peu de tout. A bit of everything. Okay. So, let me just reopen some books here. First of all, I sent you 3 similar books like that, 3 stories. This is, it's like simple French stories. The Incredible Story of the Lost School Bag. It's not a backpack, it's more like a school bag, school purse. Okay. C'est moi le plus fort, formulette, etc. So even though you don't understand everything, it's always important to expose yourself to French. Okay? C'est moi le plus fort. Je suis le plus fort. Ici, je mange qui je veux. It's me the strongest. I am the strongest. Here, I eat who I want. N'importe quoi. C'est moi le plus fort. Nonsense. It's me the strongest. Remember the comparative, le plus un adjectif. Je monte si haut que tu ne peux pas m'attraper, et je mange des fruits que personne ne connaît. It's like, monter is to climb, in a sense, so high that you cannot catch me, and I eat fruits that nobody knows. Taisez-vous, c'est moi le plus fort. Je cours si vite que je mange les meilleures gazelles et les plus beaux zèbres. Quiet. Keep quiet, it's me the strongest. I run so fast that I eat the best antelopes and the most beautiful zebras. Je suis la plus forte, mon cou est si long que je vois beaucoup plus loin que vous, et je mange de délicieuses fleurs sucrées au sommet des grands arbres. I am the strongest. My neck is so long that I can see way far, like further than you. Way further than you. Okay. Et je mange, and I eat delicious sweet flowers, the top of the big trees. Vous n'avez rien compris, le plus fort c'est moi. Je vous bouscule d'un coup de patte, et si je veux, je bois toute l'eau de la mare en une seule fois. You haven't understood anything, the strongest it's me. I can bump. I can it's like I can, bousculer is to bump, but he means like to squash you with just, with my paw. And if I want, I can drink all the water from la mare. La mare is like a swamp, in one go, all at once. Mais non, le plus fort c'est moi. Vous avez vu mes dents? Si ça me plaît, je les plante, sans effort dans votre chair. But no, the strongest it's me. Have you seen my teeth? If I want to, I will bite without any efforts. I will bite your flesh without any efforts. It's like bite and pierce in a sense. Arrêtez de vous disputer, c'est moi le plus fort. Stop arguing. It's me the strongest. And they're all laughing. Ha ha ha. Trop drôle. Too funny. Toi, le plus fort, avec ta taille de microbe, je voudrais bien que tu m'expliques ça. You, the strongest, with your microbe, the size of a microbe, I would like you to explain to me. Explain me that. Je vous dis que c'est moi le plus fort. I'm telling you that I'm the strongest. Hippie, everyone. J'ai peut-être la taille d'un microbe, mais aujourd'hui, j'ai mangé du lion, du singe, du léopard, de la girafe, de l'éléphant et en dessert, un peu d'hippopotame. I'm maybe the size of a microbe, but today I ate some lion, monkey, leopard, giraffe, elephant, and in dessert, a bit of hippos. There we go. Well, you know. Anyway, so that's just one style. Now, so I hope I'm going to have time to do everything here. Some different things I found that were pretty. This is the activity book, so we don't need it. Don't look at A11. It's just some stuff. I think sometimes it's very interesting. No, that was for somebody else. It's not easy, huh, always to challenge some kids. And yeah, toi et moi. I think we did this one, but that was not the one I wanted to do. Do you remember we had an image of not this one is boring. An image of what was the name of the here we go. I like this one. Okay, it's quite easy. We have an image of people eating like in the Middle Age, and this one is easy, you know, but it can still be interesting to go through a lot of stuff. We went through this. That's page 37. On a grandi. Hop. Mars-avril. En France, à Pâques, on cache des œufs en chocolat dans les jardins. Les enfants cherchent les œufs et ensuite ils mangent les chocolats. Miam. Cacher, to hide. Chercher, to look for, to search. In France, at Easter, we hide chocolate eggs in the gardens. Children look for the eggs, and then they eat the chocolates. Yummy. Yum. Le 1er avril, c'est le jour des farces. On colle des poissons en papier dans le dos de ses amis. Ce sont des poissons d'avril. Collés to glue. 1st of April, it's the day of the pranks. It's like April Fool's Day. We glue paper fish in the back of our friends. These are April fishes. Yeah, that's weird, huh? Anyway, and this is a method. I hope we can find this page again. And maybe it's not here. Yeah. So, Entrée en matière is quite an interesting book because it's there's no level per se, but they have a different mindset. Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to do, but we didn't have time. Let's just do it quickly. Moi, j'aime les maths. Les maths. Oh non, regarde, le lundi matin, maths. Le mardi après-midi, maths. Le mercredi matin, maths. Et le jeudi après-midi, encore maths. Mais c'est génial, moi j'adore les maths. Ben moi, je déteste les maths, mais j'aime la musique. Oh regarde, le vendredi matin, musique, et le vendredi après-midi, dessin. J'adore le dessin. Et après, c'est le week-end, c'est super le week-end. So it's like Monday morning, math. Tuesday afternoon, math. Wednesday morning, math. And Thursday afternoon, again, math. But it's great. Me, I love math. But me, I detest math. But I like music. Oh, look, Friday morning music and Friday afternoon, drawing or art. I love drawing. And then, and after, it's weekend, it's super, it's great, the weekend. Okay? So it's just a great, another way to try to talk about the schedule, okay? Not to be neglectful. And let me find this page before wasting too much time here. So, Repas du passé, that's part of La Classe, the book La Classe. Repas du passé, observez. Cette photo illustre un repas à l'époque du Moyen-Âge. Lisez les légendes et répondez. Qu'est-ce qu'on mange au Moyen-Âge? Qu'est-ce qu'on ne mange pas? Ok, so, on mange du porc. Sorry, on mange du raisin. On mange des fruits. On mange des légumes. On mange de la salade. On mange du pain. Certainement, on mange du fromage. On boit du vin. On boit de la bière, etc. Okay. So, on mange des cerises. On mange de la poire ou des poires. On mange des carottes. On mange des champignons. On mange de la viande. On mange du fromage. On mange du poisson. Des pommes. Des olives. Des pêches. Des œufs. Okay. Il mange de la viande, du poisson et des fruits. Il mange 500 grammes de viande, 300 grammes de poisson et 3 fruits. La différence est que, partitif, it's an indefinite quantity. Here we want a bit more specific. Okay? And every time we have deux, except when we have a specific number. So, je mange, tu manges, il, elle, on mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange. Okay? So, la cuisine de l'époque médiévale est simple. Les gens mangent de la viande, du poisson grillé, des œufs et du fromage. So it's like the cuisine of the epoch. Medieval epoch is simple. People eat meat, grilled fish, eggs and cheese. So, on ne mange pas beaucoup de légumes. Il y a des carottes, des champignons et des haricots. We don't eat a lot of vegetables. There are carrots, mushrooms and beans. Aujourd'hui, nous mangeons des fruits, au Moyen-Âge aussi, des cerises, des poires, des pommes, du raisin et des pêches. Today we eat fruits, in the Middle Age also. Cherries, pears, apples, grapes and peaches. Well, that's quite healthy compared to what we eat today. So anyway, let me just go back to the transcript. So, comment on dit en français? Every time you have a blank, you don't remember a word, you can still say it in French. Comment on dit en français? Un cochonnet is a piglet. Je vois, I see. Je vois, so you can answer to the question, qu'est-ce que tu vois? Je vois du raisin, je vois du vin, je vois de la salade, des pommes, du pain, des bougies, candles. Il y a beaucoup de bougies. Combien de bougies? Il y a 11 bougies. Ça se passe au Moyen-Âge. That happens in the Middle Age. Qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? What's happening? Okay. Well, il y a 2 femmes, un homme. Okay. Est-ce que tu penses que cette femme en rouge est belle? Do you think this woman in red is beautiful? Well, you know, the fashion, the way she, the hairstyle, whatever. So, to find her pretty. Okay. Elle est belle. Elle est jeune, ok. L'autre femme, the other woman, elle apporte de la nourriture. She's bringing food, handing food. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait le monsieur? What the guy is doing? Il sourit, he smiles. Il regarde la femme. Quel est ton fruit préféré? Les mangues. Donc le poisson grillé, du poulet, du bœuf, le canard, etc. The waiting, whatever they could hunt as well. Okay. Qu'est-ce que tu manges pour le petit-déj? Moi je mange quoi? Je bois du café au lait, du pain, du beurre et de la confiture. Confiture aux fraises, oui. Confiture à la mangue, aux mangues, oui. Qu'est-ce que tu bois le matin? Je bois du café, je bois du jus d'orange, je bois du jus de whatever. Donc le poisson d'avril, cacher, to hide, chercher, to look for, to search. And there was another one is coller, to glue. Here we go. You have a nice week. I'll see you next Sunday. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. We're going to work on these books and other things. Au revoir, Kerry. À très très bientôt.